Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is a quick review of this SABRENT that I've been using for some time. So it's my honest review about it because I use it for a long time and it still works pretty good, okay? So basically you can open this lid and connect your hard drive here. There's the connector, as you can see, and I just need to push my hard drive there. So I have a hard drive just right here. I push it and it snaps in place. Then I just close this lid and I have here the connection for the power and USB. Okay, so I connect this to my computer, pretty simple. The cables already comes with the device, so you just need to connect them here and connect to your computer, okay? So I already have connected to my computer and I will just turn on. I press here, you see there's an LED to indicate that's on. And then when I look at my screen and I open the Windows Explorer, File Explorer, I can see the hard drive just right here. See, here is a letter F and I have all my files on the right side here, okay? So it's connected, it's pretty simple, you just need to connect and it's ready to go. When I try to eject here, there is no option to eject the device here on Windows. So what I do is just come here directly here to the button and press to turn it off. And on my computer, it just disappears from there and it's gone, right? So I've been using this for some time to back up and it's pretty fast because it uses USB 3.0. It's very good, very fast, reliable, and I recommend it.